algebra topic is rearranging formulas. I'm going to clear the screen, give you guys a new document, and add the calculator again. Now, most of the time when you get given an equation, y is the subject. For example, y equals blah, 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 x. In this case, we are given one or two equations, and we want to rearrange them so that instead of having y as a subject, we want x as a subject. Or if we have x, we want y, etc. The first example I've got here is 5x plus 3y equals 6 to make y the subject. So I'm not actually solving the equation to find numbers for them because I still have two unknowns, but I want to rearrange it so instead of having a constant number on as the equals, I want to have a pronumeral as the equals. I'll show you how. So we are using our solve formula again, or our solve function. Wrong word. Solve function again. Algebra, solve. And in here I'm going to type 5 times x plus 3 times y is equal to 6. This is my equation. 5x plus 3y equals 6. Now I want to find it in terms of y. So I want to rearrange this and make y, this guy here, the subject. I don't want it as 3y, I want it as y. So I type in comma y and I close the bracket and hit enter. Now the y is by itself on one side and the rest of it is on the other side. Our second equation, which we're going to use the solve function again. I'm typing in solve because it's a little bit quicker for me on my laptop, is y equals ax plus b. And in this case, I want to make a the subject. So I want to get rid of the x, I want to get rid of the b, and I want a by itself. So I'll put in comma a, and I close the bracket. Then hit enter. So I've now got a value for a, and it is y minus b divided by x. So if I had y and b and x, I could solve for a. My third equation is the formula for a triangle. A equals half BH, or half times base times height. So we'll pop that in, using my solve function again. Now, do I have a shift button? Where is my shift button? Hold that thought, guys. No, so we're going to use lowercase. We're going to use A equals fraction 1 over 2, and sideways to get off that, move the cursor to the sides, done, times our base times our height. Now at the moment we've got the formula in terms of the area. But what if I knew the area and I knew the height? What if I wanted to find the size of the base? I would put a comma, then put my b value. So that's the one that I want the equation to be in terms of. Close it and hit enter. So b equals 2a on h. According to my textbook, that looks right. So the solve function can be used to solve an unknown, a single pronumeral, or it can be used to rearrange formulas. Pretty straightforward. Any questions? Pop them in the comments. Thanks.